Hi, Don Harris here with Stephen Vura. I want to thank you for taking the time to view this video today. Why is this air conditioner here? I'll explain more about that in just a moment. Dependable Services began back in 1970, serving families like yours in the greater Atlanta metropolitan area. And we understand that one of the most important jobs is the safety and comfort of your family and home. Our purpose is to support you in that. That's why we believe in and promote regular tune-ups for all air conditioning and heating systems. While air conditioners don't have the higher safety needs that furnaces do, it's still important to ensure that they are kept clean so that they don't recycle dust, germs, allergens, and the like throughout your house, especially if you have a history of allergy or illnesses. Also, you want to ensure that your condensate water from your evaporator coil doesn't overflow from clogged drains, damaging your ceiling or floors. One of the more important reasons our friends have tune-ups is to help ensure that they have a trouble-free summer by identifying any signs of failures that may be needed to make your system in tip-top condition before the heat hits. If you have Dependable perform a pre-season tune-up on your system, we will guarantee a trouble-free summer by crediting the amount you paid toward your tune-up on any repair that may be needed during the summer, as long as any repairs that were recommended by the technician are made during the tune-up. Another important reason for tune-ups is energy efficiency. Every year an air conditioner isn't cleaned, it costs about 5% more to maintain the same level of comfort. So over a period of 5 years, your energy bill could go up about 25% if your system wasn't maintained. I'd like to show you something really important to you. If you click right down here in the lower right-hand corner, just below the picture, there's a box with just the corners you can click that will enlarge the picture to see it better. To show you how important cleaning your system is, here is a clip of Steve, one of our technicians, blocking the airflow with a piece of cardboard, while the other in camera shows the increase in amperage draw when it is blocked. Here, Steve is putting the amp meter on the compressor. And here is Steve blocking the flow of the air. Notice the amps going up when Steve blocks the airflow. This is increasing the amount of electricity that is being used by your air conditioner, thus causing your energy bill to increase. That blockage can become so severe, as it did in the air conditioner I showed you earlier, that the compressor actually failed within the first 5 years as a result of this blockage. And this blockage was caused by a dryer vent nearby, and it pulled the dryer vent lint into the condenser coils. On the other side, you can see the lint buildup on the coil. There could also be numerous other types of blockage, such as grass clippings, leaves, silky hairs from cottonwood, trees, dust, and dirt. As a homeowner, you can get the large stuff off just by washing it off. However, the smaller dust and dirt collects and embeds itself within the coils themselves. At Dependable, we use a special chemical to penetrate the coils to reach those deep, hard-to-get-to places to get the fine pollen and dust that accumulates between the coils. Pressing the key on your computer will reduce the picture back to normal now. The same type of blockage happens on your evaporator coil inside the air handler or furnace in your home. We've all seen the dust collecting on the air vents throughout our home. That same dust has passed through your furnace or air handler and the fan blades of your blower motor, as well as all the ductwork. You can just imagine how much dust your system may collect during the course of time. During the tune-up, we inspect all those components to verify cleanliness, which brings us to the last but not least point, extending the life of your equipment. Tune-ups on your air conditioner are like changing the oil in your car. It's something that needs to be done regular. Most air conditioners fail in the Atlanta area within 12 to 15 years when they are not tuned up properly. Tune-ups can help to extend the life of your equipment by up to 20 years, helping to pay for the cost of your replacement equipment. This web page has a list of 18 points of our spring tune-up, which includes the inspection of your evaporator coil in your air handler. Very seldom do we even find an inspection port having been installed on a customer's air handler, so we know that there has never been an inspection of the evaporator coil. That inspection is a standard part of our tune-ups. Click here if you would like to watch a tune-up being performed. Or if you'd just like to go ahead and schedule your tune-up, click on the call for service now. Or just call the number above and talk to one of the representatives in the office. We want our customers to be educated We know an educated customer is a happy and a loyal customer, and we want you to be happy and loyal. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Again, Don Harris and Stephen Buren. Thank you.